Hello and welcome to our BAM Network training module. What you can expect as an outcome is a completely revamped, professional-looking LinkedIn profile. Although I'm a certified senior business analyst, we have adapted this training so that anybody who is serious about the career stands to benefit. Firstly, what are the differences between your LinkedIn profile and your professionally written CV? A CV is more focused, where a LinkedIn profile tells the bigger picture. The essential differences between your professional LinkedIn profile and your CV are most apparent in their unique purposes. A CV is for job hunting, where you match your experience and your skills to the requirements of the job advertised. A LinkedIn profile, on the other hand, is a tool for professional networking and helping drive valuable connections with others within your industry. It allows you to cultivate your network and receive recommendations, build an online presence, and your own professional brand. Let me take you through the differences between searching and applying for jobs compared to being headhunted. Early on in your career, when you haven't built up a lot of skills and experience in your industry, you need to look in the advertised job market and search for jobs and apply for each. I mentor my students in 3-year goal setting and how to set yourself up to be headhunted for your skills and your experience within your industry so that you don't have to continue manually looking for jobs and applying for them over and over. I'm sure you'd agree that that is a much better way to accelerate your career than just manually looking for jobs every time that your contract comes to an end or you feel like advancing your position further within your career. This has a lot to do with role, industry, and niche specific keywords that you use throughout your LinkedIn profile and your CV. All right, are you ready to get started? We need the following in place to get you going. You need your detailed CV, so the longer the better with the more wording, because we're going to use it to copy and paste information from your CV into your LinkedIn profile just to get started before we refine it even further. You're going to need a desktop or a laptop computer. You can't do this course on a mobile phone or a tablet. You also need an internet connection. It can be wired or wireless. And then you need a mobile phone because we're going to install the LinkedIn app. You need access to Microsoft PowerPoint so that we can create your LinkedIn background photo. Now you can do that at work, on your work computer quickly. It won't take you really long unless you've got Microsoft PowerPoint at home on your computer. You need Microsoft Word or a similar word processing application so that you can do a spell and grammar check for the country in which you reside. Then you need a professional profile photo. And if you don't have one yet, don't worry about it. You can get one from our website. It's called BAM Photo. Lastly, it'll take you about 2 or 3 hours to complete this course. I think this is a great opportunity for me to mention what you don't need to complete this training. You don't need a premium LinkedIn account with a paid monthly membership. You can do this on a free account. We have specifically made this training easy to follow and get you up to speed as quick as possible by implementing the smallest changes first. I urge you to implement what you've learned from each section. And then at the end of the course, then you would have implemented everything that you've learned and your profile will be perfect and 100% complete. Send me a message on LinkedIn or an email requesting me to do a final review of your profile, and then I will send you recommendations on how to perfect your LinkedIn profile. And just remember, you only have to do this once. Next time when you leave your role, you just need to update your experience and your skills and any certifications you attained during that period of time and ask for recommendations from your colleagues. Now, let's build you a professional LinkedIn profile that impresses your network, builds your brand, and helps you to achieve your goals. It's time to transform your underperforming LinkedIn profile into a powerful career tool that spotlights your skills and experiences and impresses your network of connections.